Today we're going to talk about the 7 best websites to make over $100 per day online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So let's talk about how to make money online. What are the top websites that you can use in 2019 to make over $100 per day online? And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. But before I begin, I want to remind you that if you want to find out exactly how I personally make money online with affiliate marketing, you can download a free copy of my guide where it's going to teach you how to make over $100 per day, the top 5 ways that I use to make money online with affiliate marketing. You can download it 100% free by just clicking on the description below. So as you know, there's a lot of ways to make money online. Most people think that making money online, it's depending on just building a website, but not necessarily. You can build an income online without having a lot of resources and without investing a lot of money. I'm going to show you a few websites where you can start building your business. It's not going to be an overnight thing, but you can definitely do it. So the first website that I personally use to make over $10,000 per month, it's Facebook. There's a lot of people who use Facebook for drop shipping and people who use Facebook to promote their businesses. That could be through Facebook ads, or that could be affiliate marketing, or that could be content marketing. Content marketing is how I personally use Facebook. If you check out this video, it's going to show you how I make a lot of money using Facebook with content marketing. This is just simply by using blogs. Basically what I do is I build blogs on different niches that provide me with a lot of content on a daily basis, where I can build pages on Facebook, and it allows me to distribute that content and make money from advertising using Facebook. How can you use Facebook to make over $100 per day? There's 2 ways to do that. You can use it to promote a product or service, an affiliate product or service, using Facebook ads, because Facebook ads, it's not as cheap as it was before, but it's still a very affordable way to promote and send traffic to pretty much anything that you want. The second way is the way that I use it, which is content marketing. You build a Facebook page to thousands and thousands of people, and then you promote content to those people, and you make money from advertising. It will take you some time to build the steps on building that Facebook page, growing that Facebook page, and building the content, but it is definitely worth it, because over time it can definitely bring you a consistent monthly income. My second website is Fiverr. Now, if you haven't heard of Fiverr before, this is one of the top most popular freelancing websites online right now. The reason why it's so popular is because anyone can jump into freelancing with Fiverr. You can create a gig where you can get paid $5, $10, $25, or $100 per gig for simply doing simple tasks like making a video testimonial. Basically anything that you can think of, you can definitely set up a gig and make money. I'm going to post a link to this video right here. I want to show you proof of how you can make money with Fiverr. In fact, I've made a few $1,000s with Fiverr without even trying. Simple little tricks that you can follow yourself, and you can definitely use it to make over $100 per day if you're consistent and if you have enough gigs on Fiverr. Now, my next website is Upwork. Now, if you know about Upwork, you know that that's one of the biggest freelancing websites. Now, this is more for professional freelancers. This is for people who have skills and knowledge to offer this type of freelancing services. And I use it as a way to generate leads for my social media marketing business, where I can help those customers generate sales and leads online. With Upwork, you can make way more than $100 per day, because it allows you to just build your portfolio depending on how consistent you are with finding new clients and projects on a daily basis. The next website I want to share with you, it's called SetPalace. This is a website that I've used to make money fast, and this is only available for people in the US, but it is definitely one of the best ways to make money fast online. For promoting this type of affiliate program, you can make $20 over and over again. SetPalace is one of those websites that have paid me thousands of dollars. SetPalace is a website for people who want to promote some of the major and big brands online, where they pay you money for simply bringing referrals to those programs, and you get paid a $20 commission for doing that. even if the person doesn't buy anything. So it's just one of the simplest ways that I know for anyone to just start making money online quick. Now, if you want to learn how to do it exactly how I did it, you can download my free guide below. I have a detailed step-by-step plan that shows you exactly what to do, how to promote it, and how you can get paid. The next website is Clickbank. Now, if you haven't heard of Clickbank, this is one of the biggest affiliate networks online. Pretty much anyone that's into affiliate marketing knows what Clickbank is all about. It's an affiliate marketplace where you can pick affiliate products and you can make commissions by simply generating sales and traffic to those products. The thing about Clickbank is they have a ton, I would say millions of affiliates, but very few people know exactly how to make money with Clickbank, because the number one thing people are missing is how to generate traffic. You got to know exactly how to use paid advertising. You got to know how to use something like YouTube or Instagram or Facebook ads to be able to generate massive amounts of traffic. You can make $100 per day easily if you just promote one or two products that pay you $25 to $30 per commission. Those are not hard to find. I have shown in my previous videos how you can find the top converting affiliate products where you have the largest probability of making money using this affiliate product. So Clickbank, if you want to make $100 per day, definitely one of the best websites to do it, because it's a matter of finding the right product and then generating traffic to those products. So the other website is Instagram. Now, as you know, Instagram is just one of the biggest social network apps out there, and it's just one of the best places to generate traffic to anything online. You can build a following or an audience or a niche page on Instagram that just talk about one topic, and then you can find affiliate products on Clickbank or anywhere else where you can promote those affiliate products in that Instagram page. This little method can help you generate thousands of visitors to those affiliate products, and you can definitely use it to make over $100 per day. The last one, and one of my favorites, is YouTube. YouTube is the second largest search engine online, right after Google. So that means when you create videos like the one I'm doing right now, those videos are going to sit on YouTube for years. And if you optimize those videos properly, people can go on YouTube and find your videos by typing exactly what they're looking for. So not only can you make money on YouTube with the Google AdSense program, you can also make money on YouTube using affiliate program, which is one of the best ways to do it, because you simply create videos about different topics, and once those videos get found on YouTube, you can point a link to an affiliate product. So the more videos you have, the more likely you are to generate a sale. Just like Facebook, when I started doing my Facebook pages and started building those Facebook pages, it took me a few years to go from 0 to over 500,000 followers on Facebook. Now, with YouTube, it will take time. It's not something that you get overnight, but it's definitely worth it, because if you start building your YouTube channel today, right now, in 6 months, you might have 1,000 subscribers, or you might have 10,000, who knows? You might have enough people watching your content where you can make $50, $100 per day. You can go and watch this video. It's going to teach you a simple little trick that I used to get my first 1,000 subscribers, and you can use it to grow your YouTube channel. So those are my 7 top websites to make money in 2019 and beyond. Hopefully you have gained a little bit of knowledge in this video, and this video is just to give you a summary of where you should focus your time, because the thing is, if you want to make money online, you should definitely pick one thing and one thing only. I wouldn't suggest you just do all the 7 websites that I just mentioned. Just pick one of them, stick to them for 3-6 months or more, and start learning exactly how they work, so you can start building your knowledge and your skills so you can start making money. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.